Alright, here's another white that I just got a couple of weeks ago. Again, whites are a one-year only tractor, 1970. This is a 112 Hydro. I have the side screens, I have the battery cover. I have a new gas tank coming. I need a new seat pan. This one's kind of mangled. Otherwise, it's in really nice shape. Steering wheel is not cracked. I have, again, the side screens. I have everything to put this back together. So today was the first day that I actually got it going. Before I sprayed gas down the carburetor and it popped off, so I just put a gas tank, temporary gas tank in it, new air filter, new head gasket, new head, new points, new fuel line, new fuel filter, new headlight switch, I need one glass lens. It came with a 42-inch deck. Sorry for the lighting. Long tail, I put it on there just for giggles. Seat safety does work. I mean the clutch safety. And it's a very quiet tractor. Still have to service the trans, clean the filter, new fluid. But not a bad little tractor. My goal is to get the mowing deck rebuilt. I'm going to restore this eventually. I just wanted to get this one going just so I knew what I was dealing with, because this one right here is the one I'm going to throw some time at. This is a 114. It only blew snow its entire life. Everything is tight on it. Nothing is wore out. The snowblower blew up a while ago, and they got parked. I don't know why they painted it as a Ford. And it was listed for sale for $250 in New Hampshire. And as soon as I seen that grill screen, I knew it was a Moline or a white. This shield is only for a 114, so I know it's either a 114 Moline or a white. And he cleaned off the tag for me, and I got myself another 114. And this is what it should look like. So they must have liked Fords. But yeah, we'll start working on the white, and I'll be jumping back and forth through a bunch of tractors this winter. And you heard me say it before, but my goal is to post a bunch of videos as much as I can. I want to just enjoy my hobby. Thank you.